Hello and welcome back. As all of us know that there are some tools that must be handy to keep in our homes and especially for those into electronics need them quite often. Whether it be opening up of small screws, cutting wires, testing some electronic equipments or taping, and the list goes on and on. So in this video, we will create a small tool holder that is not only perfect but also size compact and covers most of the tools. So let's get started. Firstly, I took around 4 mm thickness plywood, marked a measurement of 40 cm cross 8 cm and started slicing it according to the measurements. After that was done, I took a rather good looking square shaped basket that was basically scrap as the base of the tool holder with a hole at each corner. Then took a PVC pipe, slotted two pieces of same height about 20 centimeter and the other two of 15 centimeter. Then started furnishing them with a sandpaper and finally glued them on the wood piece. And now the mechanical build was complete. But let's look around the tools we would keep inside it. First and the foremost are the screwdrivers of different leads. Second, there is a knife. So let me clear it up. Knife is only used for opening up spaces where your fingernails can't reach. No harm intended. Anyways, third is scissors and finally some pliers. And then comes a torch, which is very handy to keep in case of some emergency situation or for electronic purposes like looking at the part number of the electronic components. There are also nut bolt openers, generally most widely used ones, and there are some tapes which are quite handy to have like electrical tapes, Kapton tapes, some cello tapes and some glittery tapes which are held on to the PVC pipe. There is also an electrical tester, some fancy arrows to make it look good. Then on the other side, there is a stapler, a shoulder wick, de-shoulder pump, and some shoulder tips which are quite handy to have in electronics. Some glues, sandpaper, some different types of cables like Type C, Type A, Type B, and some micro USB cables, and so on. Finally, there is an electronic continuity meter or tester which is very important in this list. Inside, there is a soldering iron which is the first necessity of anyone into electronics. There is a glue gun which is also very important. Some stationaries, stuffs like pen, pencil, and many more. The main and the expensive ones are the vernier caliper and the magnifying glass, out of which vernier caliper is used to measure effectively the dimensions of the components and the magnifying glass is used to magnify the part number of the electronic component. First of all, thanks for watching and what are you waiting for? Hit the bell icon and stay tuned for more videos like this.